How to split table cell in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial we're going to learn about. So guys, let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. So first let me show you how you can insert the table. Go to the insert, keep the cursor where you want table, go to the insert, and here you can see the table visual. So I take 5 by 3. Okay, so if you want to so here we are going to learn about how you can split the cell. So just select the cell which you want to split. So I just select this one. Now right click within it, and here you can see the option called split cell. Here the split cell you can see. So how many columns you want, I just put 3 and rows 3. So we want 3 by 3. So just go to split. Here you can see they are split. Now you can use within the cell row and columns as per requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.